if you just open up your Unity Hub and you see some of these warnings, this first one next to the project indicates that you have a missing editor version on the left-hand side here, where these two don't have that warning, but these other ones do. And the reason behind that is that we were using 6000.0.60 F1, and this has a known issue that Unity has been aware of, and that it's asking you to update to a later version in that sequence. So if you go to installs and verify that you're on the latest version for that number itself. So if you go to install editor, I'm on 68 here for 6000, but here it's already gone up to 6000.0.69 as an install. But they also recommended you go up to 6.3 as well if you would like to. And that may also have a warning if you have a 6.3 that's sooner than, I believe, 6000.3.10 F1 here. And once you install that current editor, you can uninstall the other version if you don't have any major applications or projects tied to that version. And then, for instance, this particular one here, if I want to go ahead and make sure I get this updated, I can click on the editor version, and it's saying, hey, you're missing this version that you were currently on. You could install to the latest version or look at your installs, and I already have one installed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here on the current platform, and then I want to go ahead and open that up in that current and change the version. I'll let Unity run through and it's going to say there's some mismatching editor versions. We want to go ahead and say OK or continue. Let that recompile. Now that Unity has updated all the packages and reopened your project, you're now able to move forward on your current project. Now, depending on how in-depth your project is, there may be dependencies and other assets you're working with that may not allow you to update so easily, but this, on a simple project for testing or going through different ideas, it can be easy to update, and that way you're all caught up on the new version.